can't. She's a woman. I'm just joking.
We know you do. I don't even know if I have it. And Louis said it, we know you do.
Bro, my bad. I'm sorry. Wait, how far into the conversation are you into right now? Like, are you almost there?
I'm at-
Where you just said.
I'm at 12:02 a.m.
I feel like he's only halfway through. Oh, okay.
I'm at
Oh my
13
god,
minutes to go.
fucking Ethan! It's Ethan, guys!
Dude, it's been a minute, Luis.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Huge. My original, hold on.
We were the late night crew, gang.
How long ago? Actually, I don't
3
think
years
I've been in a
ago.
call with
3 years
Ethan since he came back from
I've seen
4K Showdown either.
Ethan and Luis, the original Oxford study codes.
Yeah.
What the fuck?